Hello again everybody, welcome back to Squint and its Mint. This video is part 2 of the Escort rear end. There's a small dent on the passenger side, left hand side rear quarter, right low down. And not the most exciting videos, but it does show you the technique of working around the dent and getting it sort of gradually pushed out. It's really a case of last in, first out, you know, when you're pushing these bits of damage out. So yeah, if there's any questions on you know, any parts of the car that you want to see specifically, let me know. Feel free to use the comments for, you know, more than just saying hi, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. So another bit of damage that we have to get out is this one in here. It does sort of look like it's been repaired before. Oh look! Looks a bit dodgy. What I was thinking was to use this inside here, which is very dark. We get a torch to bash that dent out. So just try it very gently. Maybe tapping on the perimeter here and pushing this down into the center, and tapping with this occasionally. But yeah, let's see what gives. Right. We're going to apply some pressure on the inside. Just tap around here first. Goes out. There's high there. Yeah, there's a high spot there. So I might hit that first. It's very tempting just to chase that around from the inside. But if I do that, I'm concerned that that stays high. Just putting $1 in there for now. So back to this tool here. Perhaps it'd be better with the camera. Also, on the inside. Alright, you might get something out of that. The trouble is with the hammer, you can't get the hammer in there. Maybe with a short handle version or a longer version. Feels like it is going out. tempting just to give it a crack in the middle and try and pop it out, but the metal's got to be stretched, so I'm still not happy with that hammer position. Well, I do have this hammer here that I bought a long time ago for doing similar sort of tasks. So I'm going to try this as well, see what this does. It's got a bit more power behind it. Seems to be out now. Check it with the ruler on the outside, see about the high spot that was there. Which seems to be good. Something there. Good around there. Tackle this from this side. Seems a little bit low on there, which is okay. We can a bit high there maybe. Still, I think some distortion across through there. Yeah, just high there. Just tapping with my stick again and just glancing around the corner, just trying to sort of smooth it around. This of course could be a paint issue as well, but it does seem better. So this is low there. Better. Alright, well you can see that most of that's out now. So I'll go around it with the sander now. And see what it looks like sanded down. Alright, so this is the area now after having the paint sanded off and primed. Still a bit ripply, still a few witness marks, but you know, skimmer filler and it should all be good. So next on the list is taking a dent out of here and straightening out this rear panel. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got some other bits and pieces coming up soon. Probably a little bit behind with some of the videos, so they'll probably be coming out a bit quicker than usual. We've been trying to do one a week. We'll probably up that now and get 2 or 3 out in the next week or so. Alright, take care, cheers, bye bye.